So this was not here when the sun was out. It appeared within the last 4 hours. This is called dog vomit slime mold, or scrambled egg slime. It's not a fungus, but it's actually from the kingdom Protista. It's called a protist. It's very similar to an amoeba. This weird slimy organism feeds on bacteria and decaying organic matter, like in your mulch and soil, and it appears when conditions are wet and humid. It looks really crazy, and I was a little worried at first, like, did someone come and like drop some weird toxic fungus in my garden, right? Like from the sky? Did this come from the chemtrails, right? Like, I'm like, what is this? It's actually harmless to plants, pets, and people. And when conditions dry out, it should disappear, or it'll disappear when it finishes its life cycle. If you really don't like it, you can scoop it up with a shovel or use a hose to spray it away. By the way, watch out, because this bad boy can move, and it does. It's alive. This is a living organism, right? Even though it has no legs, no muscles, no brain, it crawls around the ground like a single giant shapeshifter cell. It moves through a process called rhythmic cytoplasmic streaming. The inside of the organism contracts and expands like a pulsating pump, pushing its gooey body forward like a slow motion lava lamp. This thing can travel very slowly, averaging between 1 to 5 millimeters per hour. Over the course of one humid day or night, a patch like this can noticeably shift position by several inches or even a couple feet. This thing creeps around in the garden, actively hunting, surrounding, and swallowing bacteria, fungal spores, and decaying matter. So how does this navigate with no brain, with no central nervous system? As it crawls, it leaves behind a thick, translucent trail of extracellular slime. Let's see if we can find its slime trail. Do we see a slime trail? Okay, I see a slime trail on this leaf. It looks like there's a slime trail up this pot too. See that wet? See how it looks wet? Slime? Wait, where was that? Slime? Oh, this is nasty. It leaves behind a slime trail. If the front edge of the slime mold, whichever end is the front of this dog vomit slime mold, touches its own old slime trail, it will sense the chemicals and instantly retreat from that direction. It will use this physical slime trail it leaves behind, exactly like a breadcrumbed map, to make sure it only explores fresh territory. Now, this thing moves around your garden and just envelops and swallows whole and absorbs any food source it finds. It continually moves around until it finds a sunny or a dry spot to complete its life cycle. Then it will stop moving around, it will get hard, and it will turn into a crusty, disgusting mass that is either tan or gray, and then all of its reproductive spores will get blown off into the wind. This is so nasty, right? Ew. Scrambled egg slime molds, dog vomit slime molds.